Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to add disclaimer terms and policy page on Wix landing page. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's get started with the video. So first you have to open your Wix dashboard, and once you land on your Wix dashboard you have to click this edit site, and once you click this edit site you're going to land over here on this page, and here you just have to search for this option of pages and menu. You have to click this option, and here just click this add page, and when you click this add page here you will get some options. So here you have to choose any page that you see that is more related to the theme that you want for your policy page. For example, this is the services templates, and here you can see there are some projects templates, and there are some contact and general, and then landing page. I'm going to go to this general page, and after that I'm going to show you the landing page. So here's the landing page, and you can choose any that you want. For example, if you want to choose this one, just click add page. Now it's going to add this page, and once this is added I'm going to come back. So here you can see that I have added this page. Now I can edit the title over here. I just have to click backspace, and here I have to write policy, and once I write policy I'm going to click done, and once this is done just click these three dots, and here you have to search for this option set as home page and click this option, and it will become your landing page. So once it's your landing page you have to just go over here, and here you can just edit these all options, just quick edit, and then just choose this option. Here you can just choose this paragraph we are coming and soon, just choose this and write policy over here, and here you can just edit the title, just remove the title and add policy, and then you can just choose the other section, and here you can add the policies that you want to add to your landing page, and then just click preview, and you can see the preview and just click save and publish. So this is how you can add disclaimer terms and policy page on Wix landing page. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.